Hi, it's Benjamin Peng, founder of freedomtradinglab.com. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can run Social Signal Trader and specifically how you can set up your Telegram API for this software. Okay, so when you first run Social Signal Trader, you will see the inputs here. So the first one you want to put in is your email address you use to purchase this software, and the second one is your phone number. So remember to put in your country code as well. So if you are in US, put +1 and whatever number phone number that you have or you're using with Telegram app. Okay, so the second one is your API ID and hash. So this you will have to set up your Telegram API for it. So you will have to go to my.telegram.org/auth. So once you are on that website, so just put in your phone number, in which case this is my phone number, and hit next. And you will see it's requesting a confirmation code. Now go to your Telegram app. In this case, I've logged into the Telegram web, so I'm gonna use it to get my authentication code. So you can see it's in the last message here. It's right after this is your login code. Okay, so just copy this entire text and put it into the confirmation code. Okay, and then you can click remember me and click on sign in. Okay, so once you're in, click on API development tools, and over here put in the app title. I would just put anything. In this case, I can put Signal. Short name, you can put Signal again, and ignore URL and the rest. Then click on create application. Okay, now you will see your Telegram app ID and also the hash number. Okay, so basically you just have to copy these two numbers. Go back to your settings and put in to the corresponding area. Okay, so for the hash, again, copy it into the Telegram API hash. Now put in the channel name that you want to read. So in this case, I might want to read from FTL test, which is my my channel over here. Now this one means that if there is more than one price in the channel, read the last one if it is set to true. Okay, so in some channel they do put out 2 tick profit 1 prices because the first one might be like the number of pips, and the second one is an actual price. So in that case, you want to set it to true, but by default, most of the cases, just leave it alone, set it to false. Okay. Now the rest of the settings I'll be covering in another video. So when you're ready to run the software, just go to the bottom and hit the OK button. And after that, you will see a blue screen with all this information on the chart. On the top right hand corner, you're going to see Social Signal Trader with the version number, and on the left hand side, you're going to see some information about the software being running, and you're going to see sending login code to your Telegram. So at this moment, go back to your Telegram and look for the login code. All right, so you're going to see the login code under the Telegram chat, and you can see it's 71231. Okay, so and copy and paste this number and go back to MT4, and at this moment you want to look into the bottom of your taskbar. Okay, the bottom of your taskbar. So I'm gonna drag it up a little bit so that you can see it. All right, so you want to go to your taskbar, and then you next to MT4 you're gonna see a blank icon, right? So this icon, and you're gonna see Social Signal Trader on the left, and you're gonna see authentication on the right. So click on authentication, and you will see this pop up, and it's saying please enter the code you received from Telegram into this text field. So just copy and paste the number here and hit OK. All right. All right. So after that, you can see it's now reading from the channel that I want to read from, and also it's searching for new messages, and it didn't find anything, so it's sleeping for 10 seconds. It's going to retry again. So at this point, you have successfully connected Social Signal Trader with your Telegram, and it's reading from your Telegram channel. Okay, so remember, when you run the software, it's asking for a login code, and when you got that login code, make sure you go to your taskbar and look for this white icon, and go to the authentication pop-up. So now you don't see it anymore because you have already logged in. Okay, and that is how you can set up Social Signal Trader to read Telegram signals.